Hello guys, this is Eveready 40 watt LED bulb. It cost me around 700 rupees, 699. I purchased from Flipkart. This is 40 watt LED bulb. So let me unbox it and show you how it look. As you can see, this is LED bulb. This is 40 watt LED bulb of Eveready company. This is 4000 lumens. It means more brightness it will give. It also got 2-year warranty. It is cool day light B22D. It is model number. As you can see here, 4000 lumen. It is also written 50% more energy saving than 80 watt CFL. This is mercury free and it will last 15 years. As you can see, there are another model also, cool day light, pearl white and golden yellow. As you can see, its actual MRP is 999 rupees and I got it for 699, means 200 rupees less. As you can see, 40 watt LED. This is 80 watt CFL. This is more brightness. As you can see, it is 6000 hour this 3 and single 15,000 hour. Let's see what's inside the box. See, this is the bulb. As you can see, this bulb is so much bigger in size. As you can see, 40 volt, and this is made in India. Compared to Philips bulb 40 watt, as I have shown in my previous video, this is little much bigger one. So I will show you the light, how much brightness is coming from this bulb. And finally I have put the LED bulb on the holder. As you can see it here. Let me on the light so that you can see the brightness of the light. As you can see the light. As you can see, there is lots of brightness. So thanks for watching, my friends.